Several areas in Himalayan region are reeling under nature's fury at this point of time. Continuous rain has battered states across the north, triggering catastrophic landslides, washing away roads and bridges, and in fact leaving a trail of destruction and death in its wake. We are bringing you the visuals from different parts of the country, specifically the northern part of the country. First up, you are looking at the damage that has been caused to the Tavi Bridge in Jammu. Then you are looking at the visuals coming in from Udhampur. Then that's the condition in Chenab River and also Anantnag in the fourth screen. Bringing you up to speed with the kind of damage and loss of life that has been reported in the last 24 hours. At least 10 lives have been lost, unfortunately, in Jammu alone. 6 tragically crushed in a landslide near the Mata Vaishno Devi shrine, while 4 more perished in separate rain-related incidents in Doda district. We are bringing you the devastating and very disturbing visuals straight from Katra, showing you the intensity of damage that has been caused due to rains in that area. Rivers are in full spate. Dams have been forced to release massive volumes of water, worsening the flood situation in downstream areas, particularly in Punjab, which is now on high alert. People suffering because of the rain fury. Monsoon is not stopping. These are the visuals coming in from Udhampur. In fact, different parts of Udhampur, showing you the damage that has been caused to multiple vehicles, to people, and of course to the infrastructure over there. Speaking about the action that has been taken in response, schools across Jammu have been ordered shut, with authorities warning of no immediate relief from the weather at the moment. More than 24 homes and bridges have been damaged, with low-lying areas completely submerged, roads torn apart, and transportation brought to a grinding halt. Some shocking visuals coming in from Akhnoor. It's just water everywhere, inundating, in fact, the residential areas. If you will take a closer look at the visuals that we are currently playing on your screens, you will see that there is absolutely no show of the roads at the moment. These are the visuals coming in from Anantnag on your screens. What we have been given to understand is that as many as 18 trains to and from Katra, Udhampur and Jammu stand cancelled at the moment. Internet and mobile services across Jammu and Kashmir are down after optical fiber lines were completely damaged in the deluge. The pilgrimage to Vaishno Devi has been suspended, as have recruitment drives for security forces, and traffic on critical highways like Jammu-Srinagar and Kishtwar-Doda is now at a complete standstill. The situation is being described as quite serious by Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, with reports of widespread infrastructure damage pouring in from Kishtwar, Riyasi, Rajouri, Ramban and also Poonch. The Modhapur barrage has also crossed a staggering 1 lakh cusecs, triggering severe flooding along the Ravi River in Kathua. Water bodies like the Tavi, Chenab, Uj, Magarkhad and Basanter are all flowing above the danger levels at the moment. And in Kashmir's Betab Valley, the Sheshnag Nala has breached its all-time high, now flowing at 6.02 feet, surpassing its previous record. Officials in fact warn that a cloudburst or extremely heavy rainfall may have struck the upper reaches, sparking sudden surges that threaten more destruction in its hours ahead.